How to reset voicemail password even if you forgot it. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to reset voicemail password even if you forgot it, launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the phone option. Scroll down and you will see the option for change voicemail password. Tap on that. Now here you will not have to enter any previously set password. You can directly go ahead and enter a new voicemail password. Type in your password and make sure that the password is of 7 characters. Tap on the Done button once you enter 7 characters. You will now be asked to re-enter the same characters. So go ahead and re-enter them and now tap on Done again. And with this, the new voicemail password will be saved. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.